Hey there, my meaty friends. This is Reed, aka CarnivorousChef, aka Kabob. Today's video is more for a celebration and technique than it is a recipe. What am I celebrating? I just hit 10,000 followers on Instagram. If you follow me on there, thank you for being a part of my life and adventures. I've had the account for 2 years now and my life is much different than what it was when I started. I really hope you're enjoying it as well. I'm also close to hitting 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, which I'm pretty excited about as well. If you have suggestions as to what you'd like me to see to do for 10,000 followers special, leave that in the comments. But for now, I want to celebrate my Instagram 10K followers by doing something for myself. I decided to go camping and make myself a little dinner at the campground. This isn't anything special, but it is absolutely delicious. These land, sea, and air kebabs are going to hit the spot. Start off with some sort of beef. I suggest ribeye, sirloin, tenderloin, or something like this Terrace Major that I'm using here. This is just the tender part of the chuck, and it's super beefy. Clean up the silver skin and dice it up into bite-sized pieces. I season this with some SPG plus butter from Grillaholics. Go check them out at grillaholics.com and use my coupon code TRASHCHEESE to save 20% off your entire order. Mix this up and set it aside. If you're wondering how I'm keeping my hands clean, I have plenty of paper towels, all natural surface cleaner, and some hand sanitizer. So try not to worry about my food safety here if you are. For the air part of the skewers, I use chicken tenderloins. I season these up with the same seasoning as the beef, but I also went with about a half teaspoon of smoked paprika. Mix that up, and now we can move to the sea part of this kebab. For that, we're using shrimp. If you have your shrimp in a Ziploc bag, just throw some of the seasoning directly on top with about a quarter teaspoon of Old Bay. You'll ideally want all of these meats to rest and marinate for about 15 minutes before adding them to your skewers. Speaking of skewers, mine are way too long. I don't have a grill or an area to make a fire here, so I'm just going to use a saute pan and a burner. Just break your skewers down to fit in your pan. Nice. Now let's get ready for our mantra. Land, sea, air. Got it? Ready? Go. Land, sea, air. Land, sea, air. Land, sea, air. Land, sea, air. And done. Place a pan over medium-high heat and add in about 1 tablespoon of oil of choice. The way to cook these is until the chicken is done. If you want to do what I did, I stuck a thermometer in and pulled it once the chicken was at 155 degrees Fahrenheit. By the time it was done, my steak was medium and my shrimp was perfectly cooked. Repeat cooking all of these until they're all done. I brought along some soy sauce and sriracha to make a sauce. With your pan off and still hot, add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or liquid aminos and scrape the fond off the bottom of the pan. Once it's calmed down, add in a tablespoon of sriracha and mix well. I decided mine needed a little bit more flavor, so I added a quarter teaspoon of onion powder to this. And that's it. Like I said, just simple food in this video. Let's take this first bite, which is for my Patreon community. If you're interested in joining, the link is in the description below. Instead of commentating on how good this is, I'll let you assume that it is, because it is. I just wanted to take this time to say thank you. Thank you for watching my videos, thank you for participating in my comments section, and thank you for the support. I have legitimately enjoyed the process of making these videos and learning what I do and don't like to make. I realized at the beginning of this year that I really liked making recipes videos, and I decided that I wanted to make 2 a week, and that's been a great decision for me. I'm still interested in making different content, but I'm more interested in the challenge it takes for me to come up with something twice a week. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my rambling. Like the video and subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon.